Welcome to Top Tech and Beauty Picks. Today, we're diving into 3 game-changing products that will enhance your beauty and wellness routine. First up is the Foreo ISSA 3 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to improve your oral hygiene, this toothbrush has it all. With its eco-friendly silicone brush head and sonic pulse technology, you can expect an incredible cleaning experience. Plus, it has a battery that lasts up to a year, making it perfect for long-term use. Whether you're at home or traveling, this toothbrush is your go-to for a healthier smile. Next, we have the KETO MOJO GK Bluetooth Glucose and Ketone Testing Kit. Whether you're on a keto diet or managing diabetes, this device makes it easy to monitor your health. The Bluetooth-enabled meter syncs with a free app, allowing you to track your glucose and ketone levels in real time. It's a compact, portable solution for anyone looking to take control of their health. And finally, the IMMOSO 1600-watt fast-drying blow dryer with a 110,000 RPM brushless motor. This powerful hair dryer offers rapid drying without damaging your hair. It uses thermocontrol technology to ensure even heat distribution and reduces frizz with 200 million negative ions, leaving your hair smooth and shiny. If you're looking for a quick, professional-grade blowout, this dryer is a must-have. So there you have it, 3 must-have gadgets to enhance your daily routine. Check the description below for links to these products. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top tech and beauty picks.